Looking to take your Baldur's Gate or other gaming experience to the next level? And today, check out my review of the Surunta Mechanical Wired Keyboard coming up next on Mumbles. Hi everyone, Mumbles here. You know, having the right keyboard when you go to do gaming on your computer is super important. It can literally be the difference between getting that perfect gameplay experience and being comfortable while doing it and not having that and having to struggle with a wrong keyboard. Well, today I bring you a product that can give you that great experience. Today we look at the Surunta Mechanical Wired Keyboard. We're going to first start with everything this product comes with. When you see this product, you will obviously get the keyboard itself. You will also get some extra keycaps for this thing, as well as a thing to help pull off those keypads. And that is everything that will come with this product. At this point now, I do have to ask, please subscribe to MumblesVideos. Please subscribe. And thank you guys all so much for the support. You're amazing. Let's now move on into the features. The features. Feature-wise, this is a mechanical wired keyboard. It has blue switches, which means that these switches are both the clickiest switches and the loudest of the switches that are made. Now, when you click these things, you will hear an audible click from them so that you can actually hear and understand that the key is being registered so that you know, hey, I pressed that key and it has registered. Now, this thing does have a stepped layout which offers an ergonomic angle, and it has a concave keycap design for comfortable typing. It also has advanced anti-ghosting technology, allowing all 98 keys to work simultaneously, ensuring a fast typing response. This thing also comes with dual-colored keycaps to give it a unique design, and it does have distributed backlighting with ergonomic curves. The mechanical keyboard itself does come with an 8-degree tilt for extended use and, as I said, comfortable typing. It also does have 11 different lighting effects which can be freely switched with the actual little switch on top of this keyboard. That can be used to adjust the brightness, and by holding it down for 3 seconds, the backlight can be changed to the different lighting effects. When the keyboard is restarted, the default press is silent so that this thing will not show the lighting effect. This keyboard can be used for Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows ME, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Android, Linux, Mac, and all sorts of operating systems. It is literally a plug-and-play keyboard, so you can use it on pretty much anything out there that you have. And that pretty much covers everything there is to know about this keyboard. At this point, we will now come to my opinion/summary section where I have to say, this keyboard is fantastic for those of you out there that are looking for a nice clicky experience with that feedback from the blue switches. This keyboard won't break the bank while providing you with a nice quality keyboard for your gaming experience and for your typings. This keyboard is fantastic for those of you out there that are looking for a nice blue switch experience with a keyboard that is good quality without breaking the bank. I literally can only say wonderful things about this keyboard. Fantastic product that I could do nothing but recommend. On today's episode of Mumbles, this product does get a 5 out of 5 from me. Anyways, guys, my review of this product. Please smack the subscribe button, smack the like button, smack all those buttons. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye, everyone. Take care.